Hello. Mag-isa ko lang dito sa office. Katatapos lang ng work. So, nag-iisa na lang ako dito. Itong room namin, isushow ko sa inyo. Mga kababayan sa Pilipinas. Bawat ang office namin. Wait lang, inaano ko yung turnaround. Okay. So, iyan ang aming Thai massage room. So, wala nang tao kaya wala nang ilaw. So, wala na rin mga ilaw kasi closing na kami, 8:30. So, yan ang aming office. Yung sinasabi ko sa inyo kahapon. So, yan, room ni Lynn, room ni Jess and Gwen. Ito naman ang room ko. So, yan ang aking room. Yan ang room ko pag nagmamassage ako. So, yeah. Hindi ko siya nilalagyan ng blanket kasi naglalagay akong blanket pag nagsisimula na ako. Kasi may mga client na ayaw ng blanket. So, hindi ako naglalagay kasi mainit ang panahon ngayon. Gabi na pero maliwanag pa sa labas. So, ito naman ang room ng isa kong coworker na lalaki. Walang ilaw kasi tapos na. So, yeah. Pinakita ko yung aking room. Yan ang aking room. Massage room. Tapos, isa ko sa coworker. Walang ano. Yan yung kanya. Kay Gwen at kay Jess. Kay Rob doon. Sa isa. Kay Lynn. Itong room ni Lynn. Oh, may electric pan pa akong naririnig. Hindi niya pinatay. Itong room ni Lynn. Wait lang, patayin ko lang. Hindi niya pinatay. Buti na lang nakapasok ako dito sa room niya kasi hindi niya pinatay. So, office ni Lynn, sa room niya, may sarili din siyang office. Kasi siya yung in charge sa lahat. So, ang gulo ng office niya. So, yeah. Ito yung kanyang office. Office niya sa mayroong sa clinic niya. Mga wala ng ilaw kasi uuwi na kami. 8:30 na dito. Pero, so, pali 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 massage treatment lang ang aming ano. So, papatay ko na ilaw. Kasi ako ang closing. Tutur ko kayo sa wala ng ilaw. Labas na ako, nakalak na ba ito? So, ayan, nagdadrive-drive yung kasama ko. Ayun, nagiwalay na pala sila ng sasakyan. So, nagiwalay na. Ayan na yung aming sasakyan. Ayan na siya. So, yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na ano, na Tesla, na ano, ayun lang oh, katapat lang namin. Na andun lang siya, katapat lang namin. So, dito na ako. Ayan ang aming office. Ayan, Evergreen Building. Puputol eh, kasi ano, lawak na aming parking space. Diyan ako nag-aral mag-drive nung nag-uumpisa pa lang ako. So, pauwi na kami.
She likes it. She likes
She likes it?
Oh. And I said, if you're gonna order, let us know. I'll give you.
But her car's new.
I don't
She
know.
already,
She likes the speed.
the speed and also, ano, the noise.
No, the
There's no
noise.
noise.
She likes the noise, but no noise. Alright.
So, ayan, nagla-live ako para pakita nila kung gaano kalayo ang office namin. Yan ang office namin sa aming bahay.
No, I don't think I want that.
No, hindi ko yaano. Hindi ko
The
yaano.
fact that it's live, everybody's watching it.
I know, pero papatayin ko na pag malapit sa bahay natin.
Are you kidding? Okay. This is how fast it goes. Go. I don't know.
Huh? I know, na-try ko na. I know, na-try na naman Nina nung pinabilis. See, ang bilis. Huwag mo nang iganyan. Ayoko ng ganyan kabilis. Bakit naging mabilis? Na-accelerate mo lang? Or
Yeah.
pinindot mo?
It hasn't. I'm just hitting the accelerator. Yeah. June accelerated over here. I like it.
Yeah. And also, ano, no need for sa bahay.
How do I turn that thing down?
Tingnan natin kasi yung manual.
No manual.
Manual lang nito.
This is not manual. This is an electric car. It's automatic sort of.
Napapalive tuloy ako.
Jeez. Oh, it's trying to tell me to go back to the office. No. Where are you going?
Shut up.
Jeez. I really do need to turn the navigation off. I have no idea to turn it off right now.
So yeah, ito yung papunta sa bahay namin.
And look at the roof. You can see the sky, the roof.
Wait, change. So look at the roof. Hindi naman, you can see, it's 8:30 p.m. pero maliwanag pa. Di masyadong kita ang roof kasi medyo dark.
Now turn right onto Benson Drive South. In 500 feet, turn right onto
Natapos na namin mag-work.
Be quiet.
Now turn right onto Tollwood Road South.
No.
Kaya mukhang pagod na. So yeah, malapit na kami sa bahay namin.
I know, but I'm gonna go to Valley Medical and check out the charging.
Oh,
In 500 feet, turn left onto South.
malapit kami sa
Now turn
Valley
left
Med
onto
Hospital.
South 23rd Street.
And then Talbot Hill, dito nag-aral si Timothy nung elementary,
Great.
5th grade. Diyan siya nag-aral. 5th grade, malapit lang sa bahay namin.
Turn right onto Tollwood Crest Drive South.
Diyan nag-aral si Timothy ng 5th grade.
Wait, turn this thing off. I have no idea how to turn this off.
Huwag mo na i-turn off sa kana. Baka kung ano pa mapindot mo.
Now turn right onto Tollwood Crest Drive South.
Where are you taking?
Ang natutuwa lang ako dito sa electric car, hindi na kami magpapagasolina. Tapos yung bahay namin,
Oh, here's the story about the house. So we have a detached garage. Yung garahe namin.
mahal, nagiginawa ko, turn off the heater. The electric,
Yes, the heater
aircon.
is off, you know that.
Yeah, turn off the aircon, nagiginawa ko.
Okay. So the detached garage has electricity, pero yung electricity is not coming from us, so hindi kami nagbabayad nun. We do pay homeowners association dues, so that is what it's covered. So basically, we're getting almost free charging.
Free
sa bahay.
charging, no gasoline.
And then here, where we're gonna go, malapit lang sa
We're going to
bahay.
the hospital, which is close to our house.
It's a level 2
So,
charger.
level 2
free
charger,
in for the first
free.
2 hours.
I thought for 4 hours.
It says 4, but I'm not going to chance it. The first 2 hours.
Okay, first 2 hours
is not-
only?
Mm.
Okay, so now, we are here at the hospital.
Well, not quite, right? Let's see here. Which one is I think it's this one.
And then, ang bahay, itong hospital, ang bahay naman namin ay dyan. Papasok dyan. Dyan, dun sa isang, papasok doon. Halos katapatan lang.
Let's see what's up. I forget.
Oh,
which,
nandito kami sa hospital.
Garage.
4th floor.
4th floor? Okay.
Yeah.
500 feet, turn left onto
Ooh,
Tollwood.
look at that.
So, naghahanap kami ng charging station dito sa
We found it
hospital.
last
Oy!
time.
May close. Bakit parang may close? Yung mga parking, bawal mag-parking.
No, wala dyan. I think they did something.
Aha. Bawal mag-park. So, nandito kami sa hospital. Nakikichismis. Kung anong pwede naming mapakinabang.
Libre.
Libre, walang, napakalawak na parking area. Walang nakapark kasi nakasarado.
Well, it's also
May sarado, may saradong park. Bawal daw
everybody's
mag-park.
going home.
In 500 feet, turn left onto Tollwood Road South.
Kaya madami din akong client dito sa lugar na to.
So I think, what level are we on?
4th,
No, what level are we on right now?
7.
7 pa? Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, 7 it is. Okay, 4. It's really low.
Okay, hanggang dito na lang. At maghahanap kami ng, sige, siguro hanggang makita namin charging station.
Road south.
Para makita nyo kung ano tsura ng charging station din. So, nandito na kami sa...
Anybody is charging.
Ha?
I don't have my phone on, so it'll tell me if anybody is charging there.
Magsi-charge ka ba?
No, I just want to
Okay.
see. There's some people here.
Kasi makikita nila, test lang atin. Baka naghahanap ng charging station.
No, there's hardly anybody here. Okay, this is 5. One more.
One
Just
more.
gotta go this way this time.
At saka nandiyan naman yung, nandiyan naman yung, yung charging station sa lugar na to.
Yeah, but it's
Sa baba.
One more.
In 500 feet, turn left onto Talbot Road south.
Okay.
Walang ingay sa loob.
Walang ingay ang loob ng sasakyan namin. Walang naririnig na ingay. Oh.
Oh, I guess I should just go down the... Okay.
Ayun ang charging station. May nagchi-charge.
Somebody's
Oh,
charging.
may nagchi-charge. Mga staff sa sa hospital.
Okay.
Sabi naman
so this is the entrance I need to go.
Aha.
Left.
So, para hindi na tayo ikot ng ikot.
Yeah. I
Dyan,
don't know how to find it though.
Oh, yan ang charging station. So, may nagcha-charge na isang sasakyan. Nakikita nyo kulay green or blue ang sasakyan. Green ano? Kulay green ang sasakyan. May nagcha-charge. Electric din siya. Yun, may nagcha-charge.
Next charge ba? No, he's
No?
not connected.
No, nakakonect mahal.
Connect.
Oo, nakakonect. So,
Ang
apat.
dami.
Apat ang charging station. Pero yung apat na yan, sa isang charging station, dalawa pwede mag-charge.
Yeah.
So, 4 times
So,
2 is 8. 8
in a
ang
couple of
kailangan.
days, we'll
So,
probably start
meron dito sa 4th floor. Meron din sila sa labas. Nakita na namin yung sa labas. Mahal, dyan na lang kaya tayo lumabas doon sa isa. Para alam natin kung saan na tayo papasok sa susunod.
here. Okay.
Para hindi na tayo paikot-ikot.
Nahihilo na ako.
Oo nga, nakakahilo eh. Ang lawak kasi ng parking
In
din nila.
500 feet, turn left
Ang dami
onto
sasakyan
Talbot
doon.
Road south.
So, dito sa hospital na to, dito si Timothy nag-receive ng Pfizer vaccine. So, tapos na siya. Naka-ano na siya, dalawang dose.
Oh, okay. I know where we are.
Crosswalk.
Okay.
Ah,
So it's the first one on the right. Got it. Got it. And then the other one is right over
and then nandun naman yung,
I think-
yan naman yung,
there. This is the one that's slower. The
Now
one in
turn
the
left onto Talbot Road
inside the
south.
garage.
dyan ang papunta sa amin. Ayan.
No, actually, it's over there
Ayan.
too.
Oo nga, pero diyan ang tapat talaga. Diyan ang papunta sa amin. Tapat talaga. So, yeah. Ang sarap mag-drive kasi yung electric, hindi kami nag-ano ng gas. Electric lang. Parit pa akong eto, meron pa dito charging station, 4.
Oh, dalawa sila nag-charge.
Oh, may dalawang nagcha-charge. Ayan oh, dalawang nagcha-charge. Ito, ayan. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 din. Mga charging station. So, for 2 hours free.
Yeah.
Eh, yung 2 hours na yun, pag nag-charge ka, full charge ka na nun. So, yun.
Alrighty. Now I'm gonna go turn around and
Hindi. Hindi ka pwede dyan lumabas.
I can.
So, yeah, every time na nandito ako, naalala ko isa kong client. Kasi every week, client ko siya.
Now turn right onto
Sabi ko, baka
Talbot
makita ko.
Road south.
Okay, you can turn it off now.
Okay, papatayin ko na kasi malapit na sa bahay namin. Ayaw nila nakita kung saan kami nakatira. So, okay. Bye-bye. Malapit na kami. So, that's it. Okay. Charge. Nandito na kami sa parking area namin. Charge ni Lynn.
Regular
Papakita
110.
niya. Regular 110 lang yan. Hindi pa kami nakapagpapakabit ng 240.
Because it's gonna create more problem with people to issue.
So, i-charge niya.
Right here, push this button.
Okay.
And then come here. Let's wait. So,
Okay.
you
Pag
put
pinasok
this in,
mo,
it's going to turn blue and then green when it's charging. When it turns green,
and then once it's full, Oh,
It's charging. I don't know if it's
it's
I
full
think,
red. Oh,
no, if it's full, I think it turns white again.
white again. Okay.
Yeah. And then to take it out,
Take it out.
push this button.
Push button. Oh,
And then wait until it's
green.
wait, hold on. How did I do that? White. There you go.
White.
Ah,
Oh,
it picked it up again. How did I get that out? Okay, look. Blue.
maybe pag...
So I needed to correct how to take off the charger.
Kasi kanina, nalilito si Lynn. Kung paano i-take out yung charger.
So you have to go on the. As far as I know, this is how I took it out this morning, and I totally forgot because I thought you can do it from there. Is to say stop charging.
Stop charging.
And then unlock.
Okay, kailangan may talagang nakakonekta talaga lagi sa phone. Oh, nag-turn on pala yung ano yung sa loob ng sasakyan pag inaano mo.
Yeah, oops, unlock. It's not unlock.
Unlock. Turn on yung TV.
It's already white.
It's already
Once it turns
white.
white, that's when you can actually
Okay.
pull.
So kailangan talaga
And
nakakonekta
then,
sa phone.
watch.
Close by itself.
Yeah, it closes
Okay.
by itself.
And then
To
okay.
turn
Turn it
again,
on.
You can either push this button.
Okay, push the button. Push the
Or-
button. Push the
or-
button.
That.
Okay.
And then chug it, put it in until it turns green.
Then how many?
And
Okay.
then see, it's gonna say
Since this is
charging.
charge. Since this is 110 volts, so i-charge namin ng magdamag.
According to here, if you turn off the car with the 110,
Ah.
it's charging at least 5 to 6 miles to the hour.
Oh, ay i-turn off. Ito turn off.
Already off.
Okay. Eh, kasi bukas ang TV sa loob. Bukas ang TV sa loob ng sasakyan.
Lock it.
Okay. And then close.
Did you see the side mirrors?
Yeah, side mirror nagko-close ng ano. So yan, naka-ano na siya.
And then our garage door is also, watch.
Nagko-close na. Kawawa naman yung isa naming sasakyan. Hindi na napapansin. Ayun do, yung pula. Yun na isa naming sasakyan, hindi na napapansin. Oh, tingnan ko pala yung ano, yung nilagay mo.
Yeah, in your car.
Nilagay mo ng ano, ng... Oh, it's pit. Nagpit. Almost pit. Okay, ang dumi na. So, yeah. Okay. Sa likod ng... Dito? Nilagyan mo din?
Yeah.
Saan likod?
Ano bang
Dito? Okay.
It sort of fit.
Yeah, pero hindi masyado. Pero okay na rin.
Magulo.
Okay.
And then I was thinking of fitting the other one in here if it does fit. I don't know.
Ito ang aming... Nandito kami sa paligid ng aming bahay pero hindi ko po ipapakita ang aming bahay. Okay, bye-bye.